How to schedule meeting on Microsoft Teams for Android. If you want to schedule a meeting on Microsoft Teams, you have to go to the Meetings tab from the bottom. Here, you have the possibility to start a meeting right away or schedule a meeting. Let's click on Add Meeting button from the bottom. Write the title of the meeting. Select the start date and the end date for the meeting. Tap Done button. Here, you can copy the meeting invitation and send it by any messaging app or share it via Google Calendar. Also, you can tap on the meetings option. You can set up some of the meetings options if you want. After you finish this, just tap on Save. You have now scheduled a meeting on Teams on your Android phone. If this was useful, please like, share and subscribe. You can also watch more videos from the right. Also, if you have any questions, please ask them in the comments area below.